Hello and welcome everybody to the English class. Today we are going to do the exercise which is on page number 31 in your English book. So before we go and read about these questions and answer them, you will notice that there are some topics which are given. Some questions are given from a sad memory. Some questions are given from a proud memory, and some questions are given from a happy memory. Okay. So before we start that, we want to revise what is a sad memory. So we're going to start. Okay, so first one is a sad memory. What is a sad memory? A sad memory was about a piece of writing that talks about a sad incident in which a guy, he lost his favorite teddy bear that is called Bruno on a beach. Okay, so a family, they left for the beach. They went for the on a holiday. They went for the picnic on the beach picnic, and he left his teddy bear that is called Bruno. Bruno was a toy who has only one eye, and they left. He left, or he forgot Bruno at the beach. Okay, and they went back to look for him for the next day, but they could not find it. Okay, his father bought a new teddy bear for him, but he did not but he still think of Bruno. Second one is a proud memory. What is a proud memory? In that memory, this piece of writing is written by a girl called, what was her name? Her name was Ling, sorry. Her name was Ling. And you can look at page number 29, please. Look at page 29. This is a proud memory. This is a girl. Her name is Ling. She's talking about her grandfather who was celebrating his 60th birthday on the top of the mountain. They tried to climb the mountain, and finally the whole family, they climbed the mountain and they celebrated their picnic at the top of the mountain. So they were feeling proud of climbing that high mountain, and they enjoyed the picnic there. Next one is that is on page number 30. It's talking about a happy memory. In a happy memory, there is a girl. She sticked here a piece of writing that talks about her wonderful memory that she has on the eve of her aunt's wedding, when she was 4 years old. So she's talking about that she and her cousins, they were bridesmaids at her aunt's wedding. Okay, so there were 130 people. Then she talks about the bride's dress, that it was very long, it was beautiful with white shoes. And after the wedding, everybody was throwing petals at the bride and groom. They also decorated her car with balloons. It was fun. Later, after the arrival of bride and groom, they have a huge wedding banquet in which they ate, they danced, and they played hide and seek. And at the end, the bride, that is her aunt, she gave her a special present that was a silver necklace. And she just later on, she said that that necklace is still with her. So now when we'll read these questions, we'll answer them and you will understand more about them. Okay, so let's read the first question. What is the first question? What was the teddy bear called? How did the boy feel about his teddy? What did the family do when they could not find Bruno? Question number 3, have you ever lost something important to you? Think of question number 3. I will ask you now. Look at question number 4. Who thought that Ling could not climb the mountain? The second part of question number 4 is, who thought that she could? Okay, who thought she could not climb the mountain, and who thought that she could climb the mountain? Because she was very, very young girl. Okay, question number 5, find 3 things that a girl liked about the wedding. You will revise the piece of writing that is called a happy memory, and you will write about what are the 3 things that she remembered at her aunt's wedding. Question number 6, why do you think the bride gave the bridesmaids a present? Okay, so let's find out the answers to these questions. I will open the mic from all from the students. Look at question number 1. What was the teddy called? Teddy called Bruno. And how did the boy was feeling about his teddy? He was feeling sad. Question number 2, what did the family do when they could not find Bruno? They went back to the beach to look for Bruno again. Okay. Question number 3, Have you ever lost something important to you? I lost my earphones. They were important because it was a gift from my teacher. So you have to tell why, what was the thing that you have lost and why that thing is important for you. Look at question number 4. Question number 4 has 2 parts. The first part is, who thought that Ling could not climb the mountain? So it was Ling's mother who thought that she cannot climb the mountain because she thought she is a very young girl. But who thought that she could? Ling's grandfather thought that she can climb the mountain. Look at number 5, a happy memory. Now, these questions are from the piece of writing that is called A Happy Memory, that is about a bride and the bridesmaids. First question number 5, find 3 things that the girls like about the wedding. So what was the 3 things that girl liked about the wedding? She liked the long dress of the bride. She liked she loved decorating the car for the bride. She was mentioning at the end that it was fun. And finally, she liked the necklace, which was a gift from her aunt. Who was her aunt? The aunt was the bride of that day. Question number 6, why do you think the bride gave the bridesmaids a present? To say thank you to them and to help them to remember the day. Now we have question number 5. Question number 5 is talking about and. What is and? And is a conjunction. Conjunction means a word that you use to connect two same ideas, two identical ideas. Okay, so what could be the definition? And is a connector or conjunction. It is used to connect the two. It is used to connect matching ideas or same ideas. Okay, it is not necessary that it will connect 2 ideas. Maybe you have 3 or 4 ideas that you can connect them together. Okay, now see here, we have an example. As I gave you the example number 1. In the book, the example that is given, it is about a teddy. My teddy name is Bruno. He has only 1 eye. So we connected these both short sentences by connecting in between them the conjunction that is called and. My teddy's name is Bruno and he has only 1 eye. This is what? This is how you make one long sentence by using the word and. You can say that the word and, that is conjunction. Conjunction are the words that are like a glue. Okay, they will help you to connect 2 ideas together. This is also another example for that. See here, another example that we have here that I gave you. You will add and into that. My father bought a car and it has 7 seats. Okay, so when you write this one, you can add here and. We can use and because both ideas are talking about a car. Look at the next one. I have a doll. It has long hair and green eyes. Now this idea is also talking about something similar, that is doll. So both the sentences are talking about the doll. The doll you have a doll and it has a long hair and green eyes. Okay, so maybe you have noticed that here I used hair and green eyes. Okay, so these are some of the examples how you use and. So we understand from this lesson that and is a conjunction, which is the important part of speech. Okay, so and we use when you are making a list or when you are joining 2 ideas together that are same ideas. I hope it's clear now. And if there is any problem, please talk to me.